I'm Sarah and I work for Slipstream Engineering Design and we're based in Shipley, West Yorkshire. So I'm Commercial Director at Slipstream Engineering Design, and my role really involves forging relationships with our customers to understand their needs in terms of sensing and communications. I'm really a champion of research and development within the space sector, particularly for connectivity and sensing. And here at Slipstream we're really involved in cutting edge in terms of satellite communications and radar for the space sector. So I'm not an engineer by background, I'm a scientist. I actually trained in biomedical science, so completely different to the sector that I'm in now. But always in research and development, always been interested in how things work, why things do what they do, and I really love working for Slipstream because I'm surrounded by super curious, bright people who challenge me to be my best every day, and I just love solving problems on behalf of our customers because they really do make us work hard, they make us stretch our brain cells, and that's just the perfect thing for me. So at Slipstream Design we've got a team of around 21 individuals. They are mostly engineers by training, and we have a multifunctional team who deal with radio frequency, digital, embedded firmware and software development as well as mechanical engineering, and that allows us to solve some of the really difficult problems that our customers put our way in terms of the space sector and developing technologies for that arena. So working in the space sector is all about challenge, and it's like the ultimate frontier, isn't it? So as a scientist and the engineers that work here, it really is like the ultimate challenge, I would guess, in terms of our problem solving ability. The space sector in Yorkshire's really taking off just now, and it's really great to be at the forefront of a rising tide, and the radio frequency cluster in particular is really working together in order to capitalise on those opportunities. So I think the space sector is like the perfect sector to really geek out as a scientist and an engineer, and I guess at Slipstream Design we're really here to push the boundaries of what's possible from a connectivity and a sensing point of view. So yeah, there's lots of opportunities to really get stuck in and have a challenging job in the space sector in Yorkshire. Well, I think my number one piece of advice for anybody who's starting out in the space sector is really to have the right mindset and to be super curious, and really to be open to failure and to be super resilient, and to learn from the things that maybe don't go quite so right. So I'm from the Midlands originally, not from Yorkshire, and I think the number one thing about Yorkshire is the people. They're so friendly, really open and honest, and down to earth, and I love working with all of my teammates here who are mostly from the Yorkshire region, and I think coupled with the beautiful countryside, it's just the perfect place to live and to work and to build a business. That's a good question. Neither really. Autumn, I would say. Yeah, or spring, the change. Organised.